Hello friends, my name is Janati Gore and today's video topic is acid properties in DBMS. So today we will discuss about acid properties. First, acid DBMS is the management of the data that should remain integrated when any changes are doing in it. It is because if the integrity of the data is affected, whole data will get distributed and portrayed. Therefore, to maintain the integrated of data, there are four properties described in the database management system, which is known as the acid properties. The acid properties are meant for the transaction that goes through a different groups or tasks, and they are comes to see the role of acid properties. We will learn and understand acid properties. Acid properties are atomicity and consistency, isolation and durability. First is atomicity. The term atomicity define that the data remains automatic. The remains if any operation is performed on the data, either the should be performed or executed completely or should not be executed at all. It further means that the operation should not break in between or executed partially. In the case of executing operation on the transaction, the operation should be completely executed, not partially. For example, if Remo has account in having $30 in the account from which wish to send $10 to Shimuro account, which is B. The in account B, a sum of $100 in already present. When $10 will be transferred to account B, the sum will come $110. Now there will be two operations that will taken place. One is a amount of $10 at a Remo want to transfer will be debited from his account. Then second one is a consistency. The word consistency means the value should remain persistent always. The integrity of the data should be maintained, which means if a change the database is made, it should be remain preserved always. Then isolation. The term isolation means separation. Isolation is the property of database where no data should affect the another one. Many occur concurrently. In operation of one database should begin when the operation on the first database get completed.